Hello, welcome to Soul Garden. My garden is currently filled with thriving tomato plants, from clusters of ripe, juicy red tomatoes to lush green plants bursting with vitality. To grow healthy tomato plants that produce abundant flowers, set plenty of fruit, and provide continuous harvests throughout the season, it takes more than just good soil. Applying the right planting and care techniques from the very beginning is equally important. If you love gardening and want to learn simple yet effective tips for growing tomatoes at home, don't forget to subscribe to Soul Garden and join me on these inspiring green gardening journeys. In this video, I'll share a method that helps tomato plants establish roots quickly, recover strongly, grow vigorously, produce more flowers, set more fruit, and deliver high yields throughout the growing season. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day.